Hi, my name is Trihan Gomez. This is Austin Healey Sprite MK1. It is also fondly known as the Bugeye or the Frogeye. It's a 1961 model and it has a 948cc engine. The Healey Sprite was brought in by Austin in order to compete with the Jaguars and the MJs that were there at that time. So it was their partnership with Donald Healey to bring out this first model.
Falling weather conditions made little difference to the way this car could be handled. What's it like to be actually in the Sprite? Here you get the authentic feel of this exciting new car and experience for yourself the Sprite's splendid performance.
As a twin-carb 948cc engine, so it was basically a pocket rocket at that time. The connection for the temperature gauge, which runs from the radiator right up to the indicator temperature meter. Well, this car had been imported to Sri Lanka by Duncan Tate, a British planter working for James Findlay and Company, and then changed hands into Mohan Dodangwala, and then it was with an engineer at Walker's for 30 years, Sapis Fernando, from where I acquired it 8 years ago. It was red in color, and then the front was modified, so I had to do some restoration, which took about an year. And I bought it to the original color that it had been imported in Old English white. Sprite came in 1964. I thought of fitting the optional wheels which were available for the later Healey Sprites. Optional mini lights have been fitted, it's not the original. My love of automobiles and cars came in due to my dad. He was a motor engineer and did some hill climbs as well as candy road races, and so the passion was built around it, and then I went in for my first classic car in 30 years ago. For the young enthusiasts who are looking to get into this hobby or sport, make sure that you study the vehicle and then match the parts according to the original spec. Make sure that you drive the cars as much as possible and do long runs so that you keep the cars going, you have less issues, and look after her, and you are sure to get a comfy ride right through and enjoy the driving.